Hey guys, today we're going to talk about day 2 of rate of change. So yesterday, if you see from my notes here, we talked about how do you find the rate of change off a graph and to figure out if it was positive, negative, or undefined, and we also were called whole vox. A horizontal line will have a zero slope and it's always at y equals where it crosses the y-axis. A vertical line will always have an undefined slope and it'll always be x equals where it crosses the x-axis. So how do those graphs come into play? Because today what we're going to be talking about is we are going to be talking about tables. So how do we find the equation or the slope when I have a table and not a set of points? Well, to just kind of recall, I'm going to write it down here. M equals y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. This right here is going to be the equation on how you find the slope when given a table. Again, this is a lot of review from first semester. So let's look at number 5. Number 5, they give us x coordinates -3, 0, 3, 4, 5, and y coordinates -6, 0, 6, 8, 10. So what I want you to do is pick two sets of points. So I'm going to pick 0, 0, because I love numbers that are 0, 0. And I'm going to pick 5, 10. Okay? And I'm going to say, you know what, this is going to be my x1, my x2, my y1, and my y2. So there I go. I have my ordered pairs. So now all I do is just plug it in to slope. So when I have that, I'm going to do y2, so my m equals y2, which is 5. No, sorry, no it's not. y2, which is 10, minus y1 over x2 minus x1. The biggest mistake I'll see here is that people put their x's on top and not their y's on top. It's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. 10 minus 0 is 10. 5 minus 0 is 5. So when I simplify that down, I get 2 over 1, and my rate of change is 2, and I am done. Or I could write 2 of 1. It doesn't matter what set of points you pick, you'll get the same slope from any of them. Okay? So let's look at number 6 here. Number 6 looks a little bit differently because all of our x's are the same number and our y's are different. No big deal. I'm going to pick 2, 2, and let's go 2, 8. Okay? So I'm going to pick those 2 points. It doesn't matter which one you pick. And this is going to be x1. This is going to be x2. This is going to be my y1. And this is going to be my y2. So I'm going to do this over here. So I get m equals y2, which is 8, minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay? Again, your y's need to be on top and your x's need to be on bottom. So 8 minus 2 is 6. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So again, I can type that in my calculator and it's going to give me error undefined because number 6 is very similar to this problem right above it. It's going to be a vertical line where x equals 2. And we know with a vertical line is our vox. It's a vertical line. So we have an undefined slope and the equation is x equals. And on this one, it's going to be x equals 2. So our answer here for our rate of change would be undefined. Now, most of you guys won't write that out, so if you just write U and D and circle it, that's perfectly fine, but it also is undefined, okay? So yesterday what we did was finding rate of change from a graph. Today what we did is finding rate of change from tables. Tomorrow we will do rate of change, kind of combined it all, and how do we put that on applications. Again, I hope you have a fantastic day. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Come on to Zoom if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.